Have you ever used a cross multiplication method to add fractions? Let's try out these examples. The first one here, we have 5 out of 7 plus 2 out of 3. Let us write our solution down, okay? We have 5 out of 7 plus 2 out of 3. The cross multiplication method, you're going to multiply this denominator by that numerator, then plus this times that, out of this multiplied by that. So this is going to be 3 times 5 plus 7 times 2, 7 times 2, everything you divide by 7 times 3. Okay, so this is going to give us 15 plus 7 times 2, you get 14. Everything you divide by 21. So let us add the addends. We have 15 plus 14, you get 29. Divided by 21. Okay, so that is our answer. Okay, we have the second one. It is 4 out of 9 plus 2 out of 3. We are going to use the same method. We are going to use cross multiplication method. So I will have in our solution, we shall have 3 times 4, 3 times 4, plus 9 times 2, 9 times 2, everything divided by 9 times 3, okay? So this is equal to 3 times 4 is 12, 9 times 2 is 18, divided by 9 times 3, you get 27. This is 30 divided by 27. But you find that this fraction, we can reduce it or simplify it by dividing through by 3. So I will divide by 3 on the numerator and 3 on the denominator. 30 divided by 3, you get 10. And 27 divided by 3, you get 9. So that is our answer. Okay? Now this is a word problem. They are saying that if Doreen sells 5 out of 8 of her sandwich to Sarah and a quarter to Prosy, what fraction of her sandwich has she sold? Okay. Now here in our solution, we have the fraction that went to Sarah. Sarah was given that one, 5 out of 8. And Prosy was given a quarter. Now, if they ask that, what fraction of the sandwich was sold, it means that you're going to add the total. The total, meaning that you're going to add Sarah's portion and Prosy's portion. So, the total is going to be 5 out of 8 plus 1 out of 4. Now, if we use our cross multiplication method, this times this, you will get 20 plus 8 times 1, you will get 8. Divide by 8 times 4, you have 32. Okay? Now, when you add 20 plus 8, this is going to be 28 out of 30. So we have this 28 out of 32. When you look at this closely, there is a common divisor. Okay? So I'll divide the numerator by 4 and the denominator by 4. 28 divided by 4, you get 7. And 32 divided by 4, you get 8. Okay. So, Doreen has sold 7 out of 8 of her sandwich. Thank you so much for watching.